Happy birthday to the dearest text of all the citizens of India. Happy birthday to the upholder of rights of everyone. May you look upon us like late Sri Keshwaran Bharti looked upon you. Love us like we love our fundamental rights, but don't treat us like fundamental duties. Help us to remove all the unconstitutionalities from our lives. May you be safe from all the virus through your doctrines. Happy birthday to the supreme text of India.
Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what can you do for your country. The respected Chief Justice of India observed that every individual is expected to cooperate in the implementation of measures designed to reduce the transmission of the novel coronavirus. It is necessary that courts of all the levels respond to the call for social distancing. This is not a matter of discretion but duty, he added. It was a timely reminder that citizens, apart from enjoying the protection of fundamental rights, should also commit themselves to the performance of their duties, as per the requirements of society and governance. Physical distancing, using sanitizers, soaps for hand washing, masks and gloves, hoarding supplies, proper sanitism, limiting travel when not necessary. Working from home is seen as the act of being responsible citizens. In one sense or the other, they are relatable to the Article 51A, such as the clauses A. To abide the Constitution 1. Abjure violence, and J. To strive towards the excellence in the spheres. So, the nation constantly rises to the higher levels of endeavor and the achievement. Thank you.